Hey guys, GMC Motorhome Rehab Ranch. We're over at some friend's house, and let me show you what we found. You say that you can never find one of these motorhomes. Come on in here, take a look at this. Behind this fence, tucked away over here. Look at that. It's a GMC Motorhome. Not only is it just any motorhome, I've known this motorhome for over 25 years. It originally belonged to a dairy farmer in Michigan, I think it was, and he came down every winter, brought his kids, drug a tandem wheel boat with this thing down to the Keys, come back through. I told him, your warranty's void on that motor, towing that big old boat. Come and take a look. That visor is the first pull out of the Ocean Atlantic visor, the original visor mold. You can make a mold off of that, splash a mold, that'd be a second generation mold. Yes sir, needs a wash job. Sunshine Dream Daydream, how about that? Needs to get washed up. Probably the tires are bad. Sunshine Daydream, how about that? Engine vents, these are the big ones. You can see how real small here. We go with the shorter ones. But he's got a Zip D. We talked about a Zip D. This is a 78 GM floor plan because he has the vents up here. Originally, the 78s only, GM floor plan only, had a set of louvered vents here and a set of louvered vents here. He had to put this in because he put a propane refrigerator, and you have to get to the back of the propane compartment to service the vents and all that kind of stuff. So somewhere along its life, it lost its distinctive 78 louvers, and they put a vent in it. This thing has one of my motors, has one of Manny's transmissions in it. It's nasty. It's in Florida. You stick around in Florida for 6 weeks, this is the kind of stuff that'll grow on it. Yes, sir. I don't know if he wants to sell this baby, but I bet you he would be offered. He would take an offer. We did lock it, so that's good. I can get in it, I mean. Oh boy, he's even got his lock. Wow. Usually that would come right open. I'm just so pleased to see this baby. Look around. Look behind fences. Look behind barns. You'll find these things. This is a worthy adversary. What is this, lucky lady? I'll tell you guys, thanks. Look around. You'd be surprised. In your area, I bet you there's a GMC sitting there waiting for you. Like, subscribe, and share. Ranch hands, start looking. See you later.